Hi, this is Madison with the Sensory Path, and I'm going to teach you how to install the logs and frogs that come with the original Sensory Path. Before starting, I made sure to sweep and mop the floors really well. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. First, I'm going to cut out each piece individually. This helps with positioning and layout. Here, I'm laying out my logs how I'd like them. We also provide a suggested layout if you need guidance. I'm going to show you two different ways to place a log. In this first method, I'll peel off a small portion of the backing and stick that part to the floor. Then using my squeegee, I'll slowly push away the backing while simultaneously applying the decal. For the second method, which is my preferred way, I'll completely remove the backing and hover the log for a moment to ensure proper placement. Then I'll stick one side down first and apply pressure, smoothing it out as I move upward. These frogs are tricky to place, so let me show you how to place them. It's important to start at the top of the frog to remove the backing. I'll remove one frog hand until it reaches the body, then the eyes, and the second frog hand. From there, I can slowly peel away his remaining body. To apply, I'll follow the same pattern as I did to remove the body, applying one frog hand, then the eyes, and second hand, moving down the body to apply one leg and then the other. And that's it. Let's try them out.